To set up bank feeds in Xero, follow these steps. Log into Xero. Open Xero and log in using your credentials. Navigate to bank accounts. From the dashboard, click on accounting in the top menu and select bank accounts. Add the bank account. If you haven't already added your bank account, click add bank account. Choose your bank from the list or manually enter bank details. Set up bank feeds. After adding the bank account, click get started under the bank account. Select bank feeds and follow the prompts to link your bank account. You may be asked to log into your online banking platform or provide security credentials. Confirm bank feed settings. Xero will connect to your bank and retrieve recent transactions. Confirm the bank feed setup, including the frequency of transaction updates. Activate the feed. After completing the setup, click Activate to begin the automatic import of transactions into Xero. Transactions will be updated regularly. Review transactions. Once the bank feed is active, Xero will automatically pull in transactions, which you can reconcile with your Xero accounts.